This tutorial will help you understand how to solve for angles in a right angle triangle. So we have a triangle MNL, and we are asked to find, we want to find angle MNL. That's the middle angle. Now, MLL, the angle is here. Let's call it theta. So we want to look for this angle. This triangle for now looks a little bit complex, so let's try and break it down and see how we can find this angle. We have line LK perpendicular to line LML. When LK is perpendicular to ML, perpendicular lines always yield a right angle. So we have a right angle here. We have two right angles in this figure actually, MK and L, right angled at K, and we also have MNKL, which is also right angled at K. So looking at this triangle MKL, we have our ML to be 7 centimeter, LNL is 21 centimeter. So now we are looking for this angle. For you to be able to look for any angle with a right angle triangle, you must know at least two sides. This side is unknown, this side also unknown. But we have a side here and we also have an angle here, which means it is possible for us to find this side. Now, the side opposite this angle that is known is called the opposite. Let's call it X. And the side next to this angle is called the adjacent. Now we have, and the longer side is the hypotenuse. Now we have an angle known, we have an hypotenuse, and we have opposites. Let's go to our mnemonics, so, ka, twa, and see which one helps us to relate these two, the figures that we have already been provided. We know our hypotenuse, and we have a theta, then we're looking for the opposite. The ratio that relates these two is our sine, because it captures opposite and hypotenuse, which means that sine 70 degree equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Our opposite is unknown, so we have called it X, and our hypotenuse is 7 centimeter. We have sine 70 degree equals to X over 7 centimeter. By cross multiplication, we have 7 sine 70 degree will be equals to X, which means that 7 multiplied by what is sine 70. Let's use our scientific calculator. We have 70 degrees. What's the sine? 0.9397 to 4 decimal places. 0.9397. That multiplied by 7, multiplied by 7, because 6.5. Let's round it up to the 2 decimal places. 2.5 will be 6.58. 6.58 centimeter. So now that means we have a new triangle. We have a new triangle like this. Now that our X is known, here is L, we have K, right angle here. Our X now is known as 6.58 centimeter. Let me rub that off, don't like how that came out. 6.58 centimeter. So I have 6.58 centimeter. Here is 21 centimeter, and I'm looking for this theta. Now we have two sides known. Going back to our mnemonic, so, ka, twa, we have two sides. The opposite side of this angle is known, opposite, and this is hypotenuse. We do not know the adjacent, still unknown. So the trig ratio that relates these two is this sine. As sine theta equals to opposite over hypotenuse, which in this case opposite is 6.58 centimeter and our hypotenuse is 21 centimeter, which makes sine theta to be equal to 6.58 divided by 21 gives 0.3132. theta will be the inverse, that's arcsine of 0.3132. I'll use my calculator for that. 0.3132. We're looking for the inverse ratio, that's arcsine, and that's 18.25 to 2 decimal places. We have theta equals to 18.25 degrees to 2 decimal places. If we are rounding this up to the nearest degree, 2 is less than 5, so it's going to be 18 degrees, which means our theta here is 18 degrees.